What's good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be checking out my transmission, seeing what's up with it. It's been acting weird since the last vlog, so I'm going to check it out, see what's up, go by Jermaine and get some help from him. Also, update on the 135. We got the still had the machine shop. They say nothing's wrong with it so far, so hopefully all is well. We're still waiting on a few parts for it, so until then, I don't know if this vlog will drop first or the vlog with that will drop. We'll just see what happens. But waiting on the parts for the 135. I'm gonna check out the transmission on my car, see what's up with it. I doubt it's the clutch. It doesn't really feel like the clutch is gone. It just feels like weird. I don't know how to explain it. Like the car still drives and everything, like going all the gears. It releases like at the very top of the clutch, and then like it doesn't let me go in a boost or anything. So maybe something's loose. I don't know, but we'll find out in a few. See, look, right now, drive with normal, almost like nothing's wrong with it. Watch what it does when I get to like 2,000 RPMs. That's crazy. Now it doesn't want to do it when I'm on camera. Fake ass fucking car. Bro, what the fuck? Let's see if it'll do it now. Yeah, you saw that, right? Like it literally just like did some weird revving thing. I don't know how to explain it. Strange things going on with the V. But we're almost at Jermaine's spot, so I'm gonna get to take it apart in a second. There's no handbrake. You gotta start the car.
Oh, seatbelt? Thank you. You know, let me put it on. Let me put the seatbelt on. I think I'm gonna need this.
It's not.
Yo, I be a lie there, not a brother carrying on. You never found video? Yo, I be a lie, everything a lie. This a lie, this not real.
Jermaine got the dogs out.
You're right. Nigga, I have to come all the way off this shit.
What does it feel like to you? Does that?
Yeah. I think the thing around it. Did you torque it down or you just?
I torqued it down.
To what? 25?
Nah, it was like
30. Yo, I'm driving.
Yeah.
Look at that camera.
It don't work.
Driving like a dirty car in a bitch. The fuck are you waiting on? You sitting there waiting for invitation? They go on a red carpet. Yo, dude.
There's literally.
Yo, right there. You feel it? You remember that?
Yeah, but don't ruin our day though. Don't ruin our day.
Nah, it's not going what you call it. Thank God for the tuna. Jesus, you really have the baby. Yeah, alright, there you can fuck up the car now. Mash up, look at one car. You got one job. One job, breaking the motor. But no. That is feel good still. I mean, I gotta lie, this look feel G-Fit still. I'm gonna have to steal this. Put my seat in here. I need, yo, this got to go. You gotta fix this. You said
coming soon. The door panels are coming soon, man.
Door panel has to get happening. Jesus. Even though the tranny acting up, you. Brakes is superb. It shut off. This shit. Hold up. This shit shuts off when you sink the clutch,
Yeah.
I'm calling the cops. Yo, that's jail time for that shit. This nigga, yo. Yo, I'm calling, yo. And this is second gear.
It does it in all the gears. You could go in neutral too and it'll do it.
So there's no idle. We gotta go talk to the tuner. I was just praising the tuner. Damn. It gets up into boost. Wait.
Oh. Dodging potholes. The brakes need to get blood too. Don't trust
The
them.
brakes is good.
Nah, don't trust them.
Yeah.
It sinks in sometimes randomly. What are you looking for? That's reverse.
Girl, relax. Come on.
Don't. Yeah, just go.
My time to be a dick. My time to be a dick. Alright, we gotta go over this car complete. We gotta go over this car. I can't open the window.
You can open the window.
There's 100 degrees in here. I don't know. It sounds like the windows are done so.
Nah, I need to put the clips back on. It fell off.
It sounds like Optimus Prime over here.
Yeah. Alright, so we're here. Car's in the air already. I'm trying to really just get straight to it. I'm gonna drop the exhaust. It's just a V-band and the two hangers back there. Gonna drop the drive shaft as well. You already know the 18 mm bolts, the end bolts right here, and then the 18 mm, the two 13s right here, and then the 16s in the back. So we're just gonna drop those real quick. We just got the transmission out. We looked at the clutch. Clutch looks perfectly fine. Will it focus? Yeah, so the clutch looks fine. As we took it out, we noticed that the pallet bearing looked like it's ready to fall out the car.
Madness.
I'm at Sebastian's crib because the weather has been shit for like the past 5 days, unfortunately, but I got a master cylinder. I'm about to replace it. Hopefully this works, because right now I have a plastic one and I'm not 100% if the plastic one and the metal one are the same. So that's the plastic one back there. So I'm gonna be swapping them out. Hopefully this fixes the issue. I read in the forums that it's the master cylinder that causes the slave cylinder to not disengage. So hopefully swapping it will do the job for me. I'm not too sure if I'll be able to film me taking it out. There's not much light under here, and the position that I have to be in to take this out sucks, but we'll see what happens. So I ended up taking off the cover that sits here. This cover right here is just held on by three 10 millimeter bolts, and then after that there's like two 10 millimeter bolts on the side. You can't really see it, but I'll show you once I take it off. And then there's like a clip up here as well, and then another clip for the helper spring, and then there's one clip behind it for the hose that goes to the slave cylinder. So I'll take everything off and explain it better. So this is the old one and this is the new one. They're different in sizing, but supposedly it's the same thing. This one has a clip, this one doesn't. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but we'll see what happens. So there's been a change of plans. In order to use the new master, I have to change this plastic piece right here. Luckily, Sebastian had one from the pedal over there.
Gotta change that hose too. That hose is cooked, bro.
The hose does look cooked. So fuck it. Instead of even using this, we're just gonna change the hose and put this thing on here and call it a day. Yeah, it's on.
Ty being creative. Got the Dremel out.
Got a lot to go.
He's making progress though. Good idea, bad idea.
Possibly a bad idea.
Oh no. Should we stop before it's too late?
I don't know how far down this needs to go. That's the only thing. Do you think this needs to go far enough to get the food in there?
I mean, I feel like it needs to go far enough for the gasket, for the rubber seal to seat in that.
Take that one off and let's see. Let's see what the difference is.
Alright, so where we're at right now is that this doesn't want to fit where it's supposed to fit. But we have an extra one over there.
This shit screws on now.
Yeah, that's why I was asking if you want to go back to that. But I know you probably don't, because that other one is so easier to take off by just pulling the pin out and pulling it off.
So the diameter inside of this, the old one, is different from the diameter in the new one. So when I go to push this hose in, this is a chase base hose by the way, so when I go to push the hose in, it doesn't fully go in all the way. So I got a Dremel and I've been sanding it down here and there. What's good, bro? What the fuck? This shit fucking sucks at focusing. So yeah, I've been sanding down this. There you go. I just finished sanding it down. Put some lube on it, slid it in, no homo. I'm about to toss this back in the car and get it back together and then attempt to bleed it and see where it goes. So I got the new master cylinder in. We're about to bleed the clutch real quick and then hope for the best. Oh my god, I just hit my fucking foot on these fucking studs. What the fuck? Alright, so it's been like 5 days now since that last clip. I'm going to attempt to bleed the brakes because I do have an issue where when I press on the brakes sometimes the pedal goes flat. So maybe this could be another problem that is causing my clutch to act weird. So I'm going to bleed the brakes and bleed the slave cylinder one more time and see if anything happens, see if there's a change in the clutch pedal at all. So I went to go bleed the rear brakes and the fucking shit snapped. Oh my god, bro, I'm about to lose it. I'm literally about to lose it, but I'm gonna try the other two and just hope that works. Hope that it works. Fuck. Remember when I said my e-brake came loose and something broke in it? It was literally this right here. The clip that like you sit in here and it like pretty much holds it into the spindle. So yeah, I just took it apart. I'm gonna get a rebuild kit soon and redo both of them. I just finished bleeding the brakes. Fluid looked crazy, like it was really dirty. I'll show you guys a picture in this clip. Also, I bled the clutch. The clutch feels a little bit stronger too, so hopefully bleeding the brakes helped the situation. I'm about to drive the car and see if it changed anything. If it still does the same thing, then we're out of luck. And maybe I just need to change the clutch and the slave and just call it a day. I'm doomed. Bleeding the clutch and the brakes did not solve the problem, so I'm thinking about just buying a new slave cylinder. I'm gonna try that. If that doesn't work, then I guess I'm just gonna have to buy a clutch at this point. I'm gonna have to fork up the 14K, get a twin disc, and just call it a day. Wish me luck, guys. I'm about to go to Brooklyn right now to like some food festival thing. Maybe I'll vlog there, and you guys can watch me eat, I guess. Just made it to Brooklyn, spotted this E39 M5. I feel like you always see like a silver or black one, and this is Statue of Liberty back there, and then the city is like literally over there. But yeah, we're here. They are playing music at the spot, so I don't think I'm gonna film anything, or maybe I will, but you just won't hear me talking because of the music or whatever. But about to go walk over there right now. So we got this Puerto Rican meal right here. It's basically banana with chicken on the inside. It kind of tastes like saltfish almost. Like dumpling in saltfish if you're Jamaican, if you're familiar with it. It looks very funny, like AO pause. Doesn't taste bad though. Take a bite. It is really salty. I'm gonna have a drink. By the way, for two of these, it was like $10, which is insane. We also had a previous meal before this. I filmed it, but I didn't add the audio in because obviously they're playing music and stuff. It was a bao chicken, I think it was. Basically like a chicken sandwich with buffalo sauce on it. And then we had this drink that we devoured. I don't remember the name of it, but it was really good. It was like lemonade. It was almost like a blueberry lemonade, to be honest. But besides that, it's pretty good. Everything here is really expensive. You can basically buy a home meal for $25, which is what I spent on those two meals, which is insane. But we'll be alright. So we were driving, and literally I seen this launcher right here. This shit is sick. Oh my god. It almost has like this nut or grayish kind of color, but it looked white when we were driving past it. Just got some food from 275. I got the PB&J chicken and waffles. I'm about to tear this down real quick. This is the end of the vlog, so like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I'm still figuring out the whole clutch situation, so I don't know where I'm gonna go with that, but peace.